Right, welcome. It is the beginning of the year and I have come back to work after a really short break, just a week off, and it's now on, what date is it actually? It's the 3rd of January 2023. So this year I'm going to film my gardening jobs as I go about it, and just want to show you what the life of a full-time gardener is. So let's go and do it. Let's start it off. Let's kick the year off. And when we're finished each job, I make sure I blow it off with my Ego blower, just to make it give that final look. Always the way you come and have a holiday and the temperature was like beautiful, 28 degrees, come back to work, first day, 32, hot and steamy, and a little bit too much Christmas lunch, or spirit, let's just say. Anyway, I'm getting back into it. Let's do it.